how's it going? My name is Matt, and you're probably seeing this video because you stumbled on a video I made called Married Life last year. Last year, I decided to make a little video about my wife Haley and I's life since we got married, just a simple, fun little video. Posted it, didn't think anything of it, and less than a year later, it had over 1 million views. Since posting that video, my channel has grown a lot. It went from just a couple hundred subscribers to over 10,000. I think it's at like, what's it at right now? 14,000. Just recently hit 14,000 subscribers, which is crazy. I never thought that that could happen, but here we are. Since I was a kid, I've always loved making YouTube videos. One of the first videos on this channel is a trick shot video that my cousin Gabe and I filmed when I was, 13. Videography has always been a passion of mine, and I went to Purdue University and studied communications, but I found as I was there that I really had a love for making videos and I could make a career out of it. So after graduating, I decided to start my own media company called Burn Media, where I make all sorts of content from corporate to sports to anything. And that's been a ton of fun. I've really enjoyed that. I've really enjoyed getting to use my hobby and my passion as my career, and it really makes work feel really easy because I love doing it. One of the downsides of that, though, is I have not been able to dedicate as much time to my own personal filmmaking, which I enjoy the most. Making videos that I'm passionate about is one of the most fun things. Since Married Life, I've been able to make a few of those videos, but I haven't been very consistent at it. And that just comes with, being busy with work. But I want to make kind of a New Year's resolution. I know it's August 1st, so a little bit late for New Year's resolutions, but better late than never. And I just wanna make this video and put it out there to challenge myself to make 2 YouTube videos a month. I feel like one of the creative blocks for me as a filmmaker is waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for the right idea to strike, the right timing, the right setting. And the reality of it is that's just never gonna happen. You just have to pick up your camera and go. I have a camera with me every day, so why not film a little bit and edit a little bit more? I don't think that's too much of a challenge. So what can you expect from this channel? To be honest, I don't really know. I've made some more cinematic videos and I've made some more vlog style videos in the past, so it would probably be a good mix of that. But what you can expect is just videos about my life, things I'm interested in, things I'm doing. One of the big things I'm doing right now is training for an Ironman, so you'll probably see some videos about that. I want to make these videos not only for the enjoyment of you all, but also for my future self. I want to look back 10 years from now and just have some memories to look back on. I'm a very nostalgic person, and nostalgia is just like my favorite thing ever. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to interact with more of you along the way. I mean, I've gained thousands of subscribers that are interested in the videos I make, which is just mind-blowing that people are interested in that. Let me know what type of videos you'd like to see. Comment if I should delete a video, if it's bad, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for being here, and here's to making videos. Cheers.